Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Before I start the video, guys, make sure you hit the like button on this video because I'm going to be showing you the best currently working Blue Lock Rivals codes. These are going to give you tons of free lucky spins. And also, guys, 99.6% of you are not even subscribed to my YouTube channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, share this video with all of your friends. And like I said, guys, make sure you drop a like on this for these Blue Lock Rivals codes. Far the best currently working codes. You can get 1,000 lucky spins for completely free, saving you a ton of time and of course a bunch of money. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. Make sure you follow all of the steps and let's get you these Blue Lock Rivals codes for free lucky spins. So you need to use a mobile phone to do this, guys. Open up the internet browser of choice and you've got to head on over to Cold Coupons, which is a codes website. www.coldcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys. Cold Coupons is a awesome site. I actually use them for tons of other games. They have lots on there, so you can scroll through and have a look, guys. Go to the search bar, search for Blue Lock Rivals codes, and this should pop up, guys. There are 2 currently available codes. They are being used as we speak. This has pretty much gone viral. You can see thousands of 5-star ratings. You can get 1 million free cash in Blue Lock Rivals, but this is the Blue Lock Rivals code that I'm going to be interested in. This is the 1,000 free lucky spins. Click on get code. This is going to confirm your choice. You can see this has been 5-star rated and is being used as we speak. These codes you can see are limited, but there is a bunch of them. So what you're going to need to do is search for your code here. This looks for a valid code in the database, and this is the best Blue Lock Rivals codes. Trust me, guys, I've searched high and low. So it says here your coupon code is ready and your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. You can see your Blue Lock Rivals code for 1,000 free lucky spins is protected. You need to click on get full code. And you're going to see this code unlocker. Pretty easy, guys. Just complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now, of course, 1,000 lucky spins is super valuable and it costs a lot of money. So this prevents people from stealing unlimited amount of those codes. Limits 1 code per person. So you just need to follow the instructions on this page, complete 2 of those tasks. And if you do everything correctly and follow the instructions for each of the 2 that you choose, your Blue Lock Rivals code will be fully revealed in this box. I've already done it, and like I said, it is 1 code per person, but your code will be unlocked and you can redeem it in Blue Lock Rivals for 1,000 free lucky spins. By far the best working codes. I'm super excited. Go to Cold Coupons, and also, guys, make sure you drop a like on this video, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace.